Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Makita impact driver. We got brushless. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. It's a way YouTubers to platform by subscribes and likes. It is the XGT 40 volts. This is model number GDT01, 36 volts, 40 volts max. 0 to 100 or 1100, then 0 to 2100, 0 to 3200, 0 to 3700, and then on the hammers, I guess hammers, has a hammer there, or the impacts, 0 to 1100, 0 to 2600, 0 to 3600, 0 to 4400 per minute, I guess. So tool, we do have a 2.5 amp hour battery, so 40 volts. So we'll just run a couple tests here. We took out several different tests here. At the bottom we got some self-tapping screws here. You got 1 and 2, which is 2 or 3. Mode 2 or 3. So you guys see there, that's self-tapping 2. That's screw mode, if I can press it, and that's self-tapping number 2. So self-tapping number 3. So let's try it on speed 1, see what it does. We got a Spax star bit here. So it is a quick insert collet. So we'll do it here. We'll do one right here at the corner. Alright, we'll do one in speed number 4, since actually we'll do it in speed 3. We'll go from there. Speed 3. Oh my god, this one's a beast. Alright. Alright, so it's a beast. Alright, we'll do one on speed 4, see what it does. It's probably going to be a little too much for that little screw. Alright, speed number 4. Oh, and by the way, we do have full battery, fresh out of the charger. Alright, we'll do one right here beside it. Oh my god, yeah, this is pretty fast. Yeah, this is lightning fast. This speed 4. Alright, so surely we'll take all of them at speed 4. Alright, so we're gonna run one in the screw mode right there. You got screw, and then if I can, okay. So we got screw mode and then the auto on and off, whatever they call it. So we'll go ahead and do one right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so once it hits the bottom, it stops. We'll do one more. I actually let go of the trigger, but I'll leave it pressed for you guys. So 1, 2, 3, go. So it's still pressed. Letting go. So that's what it does. You got a 3/8 drill bit. We'll go ahead and try this. Oh, by the way, if you guys want a video and more in depth about this, make sure you guys check out Feel It Fixed. He did do a more in-depth review of the controls here, the control panel. So make sure you check out his video. He has some great videos out there. So big shout out to Feel It Fixed. All right, so let's drill a hole right here. See what it does. We're gonna be doing it on speed. Well, actually, we're gonna be doing it on speed 4. That's maximum for this drill. So 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so it's in. No problem. Alright, we're going to be doing a spade bit. This is a 1-inch spade bit. We're going to try this out. We're going to do a hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Got a really small leg here. I would say this is nothing for this drill. You got a 7/16 socket. So we'll go ahead and put this in the adapter. And this is a Makita socket, by the way. This is, like I said, we got a small lag. We'll just do it right here. 1, 2, 3, go. And we're on speed 4, by the way. So that's it right there. We'll take it off. Alright, we got a much bigger lag. So we're going to try this. It's almost as thick as my finger. This is a 4-inch lag. So we'll go ahead and try this. We'll try it right here in the middle because it keeps cracking if I do it somewhere else. 1, 2, 3, go. Yep, no problem, guys. This thing's a beast. This thing's a beast. It's still cold, actually. I can feel how cold that is. It's not 110. It's 91, 92, 92, 89, 87. Battery is 86. Yeah, everything's cool. So there's nothing for this drill. This drill is running a walk in the park. Alright. Easy. So just a couple of tests, guys. I just want to show you guys what's going on with this. Obviously, I'm going to put this. Let me know down in the comment section what tools would you like me to put this against. Would you like me to put this against Makita, DeWalt, the new Flex, other Makitas? Let me know down in the comment section what do you guys want to see. This is Toolhead, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.